Hello and welcome. This is the Casio AE-1000 and I'm going to show you how to change your daylight saving time mode or how to turn it on or off. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and make sure that your watch is in the standard timekeeping mode, and you can check it out whilst your watch is showing the time by pressing the lower right button. And as you can see, I'm shuffling between 4 time zones. Make sure you set it to T1. Now once I've set it, I'm going to press and hold the upper left button, and there was the beep. The seconds are flashing, which means that we are in the position of setting our watch. From there, simply press the mode button once, and we are in the position of changing our daylight saving time mode. You can shuffle it on or off by pressing the lower right button. And I'm going to, let's say, turn it on and leave it at on. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button once, and your watch goes back to the T1 or your standard timekeeping mode with your DST turned on or off. You have successfully set your DST value. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.